Isiseko esingenzi inzuzo iBeacon of Change Foundation sithathe inyathelo lokukhuthaza ucoceko kuluntu lwaseSoweto. Namhlanje esisiseko sibambisene nejelo losasazo iSoweto TV, amalungu oluntu kunye nabanye abachaphazelekayo ukukhucula ummandla waseMfulo nendawo ezingqongileyo. Eyona njongo iphambili yesisiseko ukuphucula impilo yoluntu ngokunciphisa umngcipheko wezifo ezinxulumene neemeko zokuhlala ezingacocekanga.
Imizamo yokukhuculula iSoweto eholwa inhlangano ebizwa ngeBeacon of Change Foundation ebiholwa ngusihlalo Mnumzane Mzingezi Majezi. Ivakashele indawo yaseMfulo eSoweto ukuyoqhuba uhlelo lokukhuculula. Ngokusho kukaSihlalo walenhlangano, inhloso enkulu yalesi sisekelo ukugcina iSoweto ihlanzekile.
We have decided to embark on this clean up campaign purely because of seeing the state of the township. We really saw that there's something that needs to be done here. And our aim was simply to have this campaign spread right across Soweto. But for various reasons, we saw that it's highly impractical for now. We said let us just now start at a smaller scale and at Ward 36 Region D. What would happen is this: as soon as people would have known and seen as to what is that we are doing here, they would obviously come in future in numbers. We appeal to the sponsors to come forth. We encourage people to come forward in initiatives of this nature.
Bebesebenzisana nezinhlangano kanjalo namalungu omphakathi ukugqugquzela inhlanzeko nokuvikela izifo ezidalwa izimo ezingcolile.
We came up with this idea clean up campaign because we saw how filthy our area was, which is Ward 36. We identified a few hotspots that were troubled in our area, especially this area that we targeted here because of the bushes and many things that were happening here. But all in all, we wanted to inculcate the seed of cleanliness in our area, seeing that we've attracted investment into our midst, which is your A2 mall, which is not very far from where we are. As you can see, people who pass here are people who are going to the mall, and sometimes they experience difficulties here. There's people that just come out of the bushes and rob them. Hence, we targeted this area.
Kanokhulumela lenhlangano umnumzane Ayanda Mqilingwa uthi abahlali kumele baqinisekise ukugcina le ndawo ihlanzekile ngaso sonke isikhathi.
My message to the community is, guys, we do have a service delivery. Let's use our dustbins. Our slogan for this campaign is don't dump it, bin it. Lahlela emqomeni. If you have a bin at your house, you don't have and you have audacity to come and dump here, you deserve to be arrested. You deserve to actually get a fine.
Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngiseMfulo.